Hi everyone, let's make this beautiful hanging lamp. For that we are going to remove the lid like this. Take two lids and cover it using these earbuds. Using hot glue gun, so we are going to put these two lids like this and cover it. Now put fairy light inside it and make a frill and paste all of them together. We are also coloring it from the sides and look, it is ready. We're going to make these beautiful hangings. So let's get started. First we are going to make these shapes. You can also draw them if you don't have this sellotape cover. Now we are going to draw and complete the figure like this. Now make different shapes, cut all of them and paste this transparent shape on top of it. Now we are adding more details, like we are making these animals and vines using clays. We are also making different cactus and flower trees and spread all of them on these things. Now we are going to cover it like we are doing here using hangings and paste all of them on this tube, and this is ready. Look at this colorful wreath, let's make it. For that we are going to remove the handle of this paper bag. Take 3 handles and we are going to braid them together like this. Make a circle, paste it using a sellotape. After this we are going to cover it using this green clay. Cover it like this. We are also making different leaves and paste all of them together. After this we are going to make flowers using red clay. Paste all of them together. Your flower is ready. Paste all of them on the circle. We are also making this beautiful bird using blue clay and put it at the center of it, and look, it is ready. Look at this beautiful hanging lamp, let's make it. For that we are going to make the frame by rolling this yellow craft paper. Roll it and make a stick. We are going to make the frame, so make 4 such strips, paste all of them together and paste a sellotape on the top of it. Now we are going to paste these dry twigs on it. We are also making flowers using clay. Press it and paste it on the top of the twig. Make more such flowers and add more decorations like this. After this we are going to paste the leaves as well. Make more such frames and combine all of them together like this. Cover the base and put a fairy light inside it. Make a frill and hanging is ready. We are going to make this beautiful umbrella. We are going to make the drawing at the white paper first and draw the twigs on it using hot glue gun. Now cover it using this transparent sheet. Fold it like this. Make a triangular shape and cut it. After this you will get this perfect circle. Now cover it around the twig and cut the twig according to the circle. Add more details, like we are pasting these colorful flowers and trees on the top of it, and look, your umbrella is ready. Let's make this toffee basket. Cut this paper cup into half. Cut the upper portion of the paper cup. We'll make handle later. Now we are going to paste double-sided tape on the paper cup and cover it using this white tissue paper. After this we are drawing dots on it using marker like this. Fill it with clay and paste the handle. We are also making a ball of the tissue paper and cover it like we are doing here. After this we are going to paste all the colorful toffees on the top of it like this, and look, your toffee basket is ready. You can gift it to your friend. Look at this flower bracelet, let's make it. We are going to take this tissue paper, cut it into half. Now make a small piece, make a triangular shape. Now dab colors on it like this. After that open it, you will get a beautiful flower. Now cut the upper portion of the paper cup, cover it using clay. Now we are going to put all the flowers on it. Make more such colorful flowers and cover it like this, and look, a beautiful bracelet is ready. You can gift it to your loved ones. Thank you so much for watching this video.